Quick video on the 82 factory short bed, real survivor truck. This has never been restored. I mean, this is original everything. New tires, brand new battery, belts, hoses look all great, but I mean, this is all original paint. So kind of a patina looking paint. I think that's original glass to the truck. Brand new Goodyear Wranglers. I mean, those are like brand new. Got new shocks. Zero rust. I would take all of that trim off. It's hard to get original trim anymore. It's now Chinese crap. You can see the frame is absolutely perfect all the way through. Obviously original bumper. I mean, look, hasn't been registered since November of 16. That's pretty impressive. The bed is not rusted at all. It's idling pretty fast. I don't know if the choke's working or not. Easily adjustable. All original seat, original carpet. Seat's got a little tear right here. But that's the original seat in it. Original carpet. All the gauges work. Fuel gauge, the brake is on. Shows 14,000 miles. I doubt that's original 14,000. The air does blow, but it's not blowing cold. The stereo does work. It is a 4-speed. And I did test the 4x4. The 4x4 works. Let me pop the hood. Door shut's nice. I mean, I can even show you how easy this is, one-handed. All factory. Has been converted to a R134. That's a huge plus. That was done in 2004. Brand new battery here. Oh man, pretty cool. All original. What we call a survivor. Nobody's taken it apart, messed with it. You're getting what you get. It's a nice truck.